Our washing machine has been filling really slowly lately, so I decided to take a look at the pre-filter and clean it if it needed it. And judging from how well it's flowing here, I would say it definitely needs it. The first step, which I'm not showing here, is to turn off the water. You don't want to have full pressure in those lines when you undo them. This is the hot water inlet, and then this is the cold water inlet. We don't use hot water with our washers, so we'll just be working on the cold water inlet. Make sure you grab a bucket for this, because there's going to be some water in that line. It doesn't have to be a pink bucket. Here you can see the pre-filter in the inlet housing. It's filthy. The method I use to get this pre-filter out is just a set of needle nose pliers. There's a little flap on the end there, and I just grab that with the end of the pliers and kind of gently work it from side to side until it lets itself loose. There's a lot of debris in there, sand and rust and grit, and it just doesn't want to come out, so sometimes you have to be rough with it, but try not to break it. Sorry for the shaky camera here. Did I mention I'm doing this one-handed while leaning over my washing machine and holding a phone at the same time? Yep, that's pretty gross. And it also kind of reminds me of the xenomorph from Alien. I like to use a toothbrush to clean the pre-filter. Maybe don't use your wife's toothbrush, at least not if she's home. And there it is, squeaky clean and ready to go back into the machine. Installation is just the reverse of how we got it out. Well, maybe squeegee out some of the leftover crud that's in there, but other than that, we just stuff it back in and hook the water back up. Make sure you put it back in the right way around. It would probably fit the other way, but you'd probably have a hell of a time getting it back out to put it in the right way. Now we just screw the hose back on and we're ready to test it out. Alright, let's turn the water on and see how we did. Turn the machine on to fill, and bingo! Got it.